It's very lovely. A very lovely good morning to everyone. Yes, hope you all have enjoyed your holidays. And after the holidays, you are very enthusiastic for your classes. So everyone is very enthusiastic for attending your classes. So today, as your classes have been started yesterday, but your social science class is today. So yesterday you were not having your class.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम एमन मैं तुम्हें 2 मिनट में भेजता हूँ
Please use chat box everyone to write whatever you want to ask. Okay, so keep the class discipline everyone. So today we will start our next chapter of history, new kings and kingdoms. So as you have read in the previous chapters of history about how we trace changes of the past, how previous past we come to know, from where, what are the things that tell us about the past. And when early human being, he started living at one place, he started occupying different occupations, different professions, he started working in different professions. Then slowly and gradually it evolves into cities, then the larger area. For that, the security was needed. So the different professions were divided among different people. So when different people's professions were divided, so then the group of people who were protecting the society, from that group of people, there emerged some kings and kingdoms. So what is a kingdom? Kingdom is a area or a country that is ruled by a king or queen. So kingdom is a country which is ruled by a king or queen. So as new kings, they came, new kingdoms came. So we will discuss about all these in our this chapter, new kings and kingdoms. So this is very interesting chapter. There are many short stories in this chapter, so you will like this chapter, new kings and kingdoms. So there were many new kings which came and their kingdoms. So as it was clear, the king was protecting the society. So his kingdom, it may be large area over which he was ruling, it may be small area over which he was ruling. So there were many kings and kingdoms. So king appointed some landlords, the people who were the owners of land, because people were doing agriculture also. Many people were doing agriculture. Many people were doing other professions such as craft making, cloth making. So slowly as the different professions has started. So landlords who were the owners of land. So these people or warrior chiefs, they have been appointed by the kings. So group of people who were appointed by the kings. Why they were appointed? Because as we have discussed, that when people used to stay at one place, different professions they have started. So in different professions, so all need food. Early human being, he was hunter gatherer, he was collecting his own food, and he was living his life. But when people used to stay at one place, everything is needed. Some people, they are growing crops. Okay, they were agricultural peasants. Some people, they were protecting, they were soldiers. Some people, they were making clothes. Some people were making craft. So different peoples were engaging in different occupations. But everyone needs food. So they exchange the things with each other. They take food from the farmers and then they give them the things in exchange. They take clothes or then give food. But to the king also, everyone give their part of their product, whatever they are being producing. If there is agricultural peasant, then he is giving a part of his agricultural product. Whatever crops he has grown, so he give a part of his crop to the king. If he is a craftsman, so he gives some craft to king. If he is a cloth making person, he gives some cloth. So in the same way, every person was giving to king something. So that is called a tax. As such as we are also paying taxes. We are all living in houses. We are enjoying so many facilities. We are enjoying electricity. We are enjoying water facility, drainage facility. So who is taking care of all this? The government. Because at present, all the work that is controlled by the government. So we are using this electricity and we are paying for this. So now the payment, the money we are using, but at that time, the money was not in use. So they used to give things. They used to give a part of their produce to the king. Okay. So then at that time, such system was there. So king, he did not go himself to the person and collecting all the taxes. So king was not going to the all person and collecting the taxes. He has appointed some persons, some big landlords, maybe they were having a very big land. So he has appointed that person that you can collect and tax and give to me. Or any warrior chief or any such as from the soldier, one is the commander. So he has given the control of one area. This area is under your control and you have to see this area. So king appointed landlord and warrior chiefs for administration, for taking care of all these things, that all the people, they gave their due part. So they were called samantas. The people, so these people, they were called samantas. So samantas, they were subordinate to kings. So they were lower than the kings. But slowly and gradually, some samantas, they gained. They were collecting money. They were also some warrior chiefs. They have control over army also. So it means they were having, so their control was increased. So when their control was increased, so they declare themselves as free. They declare themselves as Mahasamanta or Mahamandaleshwara. So earlier king has appointed only samantas. King ने samantas को appoint किया था. They themselves declared as Mahasamanta कि now we are not under the control of king. अब हम king के control में नहीं हैं. So this landlord means the persons who were the owners of big land. Okay? Some you can suppose that in a village. In the village, the person who is occupying a large piece of land, large areas of agricultural farm, so he is a landlord. There is also some small peasants. They are having only just a small plot of land with them for agriculture. So Lord is the owner of land, but he is occupying a large area of land. Okay. So maybe large honors. So king has appointed that persons. So this thing is clear. What was the work of king? So we will discuss in detail as we will move on the chapter and discuss this short story. So we will discuss it again if there is any confusion.
Ma'am, which chapter we have started?
Please raise your hand and use chat box, Vijay. Use chat box to write if there is any query. Yes, Jalashveer.
Then can we do definition of samantas?
Yes, definition of the landlord.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, landlord who is the owner of the land. If please write your queries in the chat box, Vijay, so that we can solve it. Because all of you can't give your queries by unmuting yourself. So you can give your query by chat box only. Okay, so side by side we can discuss that also. Yes, Lakshya, you can also write your query in chat box. So this thing is clear that early human being slowly and gradually, or this society, now which society we are living, there is no king, there is no kingdom. So now where we are living? We are living in a country, there is a government, there are elections, we elect the government. Okay, we elect the government and all the working take place. But at that time, there were kings who was controlling everything, who was planning for his kingdom, and in return he was collecting the taxes. So for collecting these taxes, he has appointed some landlords and they were called as samantas. But slowly and gradually, the samantas, they were so powerful that they said, we are not under your control. That king, we are not under your control, we are free. So they declare themselves as Mahasamanta or Mahamandaleshwara. Okay, so now kingdom is area that was under the king. So now we are discussing from this chapter only small stories. We will discuss some small stories about these kings. So I hope this is visible to everyone. Use chat box. So again, we are making clear the meaning of samantas. So these samantas, they were big landlords or warrior chiefs. Clear? The big landlords and warrior chiefs, they were called as samantas. Earlier, they were subordinate to kings. They were not over above the kings. They were subordinate to kings. They were also give gift to the kings. They collect money from the all people and they give these all gift to collected gift to the kings. Sometimes they also provided military support to the kings and attended king's court. जो किंग राज दरबार जैसे लगता था, तो राज दरबार में भी they used to go. ठीक है, they attend all the programs in courts of the king. जो king का court होता था, they also attend, and they sometimes, if they are military commanders, they provide military support their army to the king also. They gained power and wealth, but slowly and slowly, when they became so powerful, there were many people under their control. Then they declared themselves as powerful. Then they declared themselves as Mahasamantas and Mahamandaleshwaras. So this is Mahasamantas, Mahamandaleshwaras. They declare themselves. So when they declare themselves as Mahasamantas, when they gained more power. ठीक है, जैसे किसी के पास बहुत सारी पावर आ जाती है, तो वो कहेंगे कि we are now not under your control. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको कुछ नहीं समझता, तो now I am all alone. ठीक है, sometimes that you also ask your younger brother and sister that if my mother is not at home, then I am all alone, so you have to obey me. If there are younger brothers or younger sisters you have, then you will ask them that they will follow you when your parents are not at home. Do you ask like this to your younger brother or sister? Yes, use chat box, बच्चे. Sometimes you use your power. Now I am powerful. My parents are not at home, so you are my younger to me, so you have to obey me. Okay. So this is the people. So sometimes these Samantas, who were Samantas, later on they became the kings after declaring. So we will discuss with these examples. Okay. We are also doing some examples. There are many examples, but in your book, there are given 3 examples. So what are these 3 examples? So these 3 examples are of different 3 Samantas. One Samanta is Danti Durg. So this is Danti Durg. So this Danti Durg, he was also a Samant. He was a Samant appointed by the king of Chalukya in Deccan area. Deccan area means southern area. So he was a Samant, but later on he overthrew the Chalukya overlord. Jo Chalukya king tha, he was overthrown. He was defeated. Chalukya overlord was defeated by Danti Durg. Okay, so he declared himself as a king. जो दांती दुर्ग चालुक्य को हरा के खुद राजा बन गया. पहले वो क्या था, सिर्फ सामंत. So दांती दुर्ग, earlier he was a samant, now he became as a king. So this is one example. Okay, and the same way, after becoming, when he became a king, then he performed a ritual. Ki there are many rituals that has been performed in our houses. Sometime when we are worshipping our devotees, or sometimes there are some functions in our houses, we perform many type of rituals. Okay, so this is also one type of ritual that has been performed by this Danti Durg. So what was this ritual? He performed Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha, it is like a type of havan. So he performed this ritual. So it means Hiranyagarbha means the golden worm. जैसे एक mother का हम कहते हैं ना कि mother के गर्भ से बाहर आया है, तो golden worm. ठीक है, the baby before it take the birth, then it is in mother's womb. So it is the golden worm. The golden worm, he performed this ritual. And after performing this ritual, he became a Kshatriya. So what is Kshatriyas? Have you listened this term earlier? What is Kshatriyas? If you know the meaning of this Kshatriyas, then raise your hand. If you know the meaning of Kshatriyas, then raise your hand. Yes, Jalashvi.
Kshatriya means warrior.
Sorry, Bache, please repeat.
Kshatriya means warriors.
Warriors. Okay, very good. Yes, Arshita, she's writing it is a type of caste. Then Sanya. Sanya is writing that it is a community of king and ruler. Here. Yes, it is also here.
Ma'am, can it be a Yoda?
So please use chat box, Vichi. So Kshatriyas, there were, because we have discussed that earlier occupations were divided among different people. Okay, so occupations were divided among different people. There were 4 main castes. Okay, 4 main castes. So slowly and gradually, as the people they started living at one place, they were performing different occupations, they divided themselves into various castes. Okay, so what were these various castes? First was Brahmins. Okay, then Kshatriyas, then Vaishyas, and then Shudras. So these were various castes that slowly people they divided themselves. So why they divided themselves? These division was of work, that which work they perform. Brahman used to perform rituals, various rituals, Havan, worship of the god like this. Kshatriyas, they used to fight wars and protect the society. Vaishyas, they used to trade of different trades, visit at other places, and they used to trade of different things. Shudras, they were providing different services to other people. Services like they were cleaning services, okay? Services of cleaning, services of other at home or at king's palace. Okay, so all these different services they were performed by Shudras. So these all were different caste division. So this division was made on the basis of work. So now it means that these Kshatriyas, they have only the right to fight wars and they have only the right to become a king. It means this. If this is the division of society, then according to this division, who has the right to become a king? Yes, to answer this question, yes, you can use chat box to answer this question. Yes, so only Kshatriyas has the right. Okay, only Kshatriyas has the right according to this division of the work. So now again we are continuing with that we have discussed that Danti Durg. Okay, Danti Durg, he became king. Earlier what he was? Earlier what he was? Danti Durg, before becoming a king. before becoming a king, earlier, Dantidurg was a dash. Dantidurg was a Samant. Very good. So, Dantidurg become a king. But now, according to this division of work, he must be a Kshatriyas. So, he performed a ritual and become a Kshatriya. So, this thing is clear to everyone? Now, this thing is clear? So, next, second, there are also some other examples that they were not Kshatriyas by birth, such as the son of Kshatriya will be Kshatriya, the son of Brahman will be a Brahman, okay? The son of Vaishya will be a Vaishya. So this was a division taking place. So it means that the persons who were belonging to other caste, so there are examples that they have also become king. Earlier, either they were not belonging to the Kshatriyas caste. So either they were not belonging to Kshatriya's caste, they became king. So similarly, this in Kadamba, Mayura Sharman. So this Maurya Sharman. So Maurya Sharman also become a king. Okay, he was a Brahman. He was also a Brahman, but he became king like the same way. Okay, like the same way, he also become a king in Kadamba region, Maurya Sharman. So now this Kadamba region is Karnataka. Then this Harishchandra. Harishchandra was also a Brahman. He also became the king. So these both were Brahman, but they became king and they established their kingdoms. So this means that their new kings were becoming. There were new kings were coming, whether they were not belonging to Kshatriya's caste as the division of society, but they gained power and declared themselves as king. So this is the map of these kingdoms. So here, this is the Kadamba. Okay, this is the Kadamba region. This is Rashtrakuta, the Dantidurg, he was a Rashtrakuta, Gurjar Pratihara, okay, and this Pala. So these are various dynasties. Okay, so we will discuss slowly. Okay, so now we have discussed about the Samantas, that how Samanta declared themselves as king. Okay, so yes, Guneet, you have written that who took arm. Who took arm means who were warriors. They belonged to Kshatriyas. They were soldiers who took arms. Okay? Who took arms? They have started fighting with other, such as Samanta, Dantidurg, who took arm against the Chalukya ruler. ठीक है कि उसने चालुक्य रूलर के अगेंस्ट जो थी वो हथियार उठा लिए. He took arms. So like this. So please, if there is any other doubt, from that we have discussed till now. Okay, very good. That you have learned it very well. So, which ruler, what was the name of this ruler who belonged to Rashtrakuta, who declared themselves as king?
Dantidurg.
Yes, very good. So please use chat box. Yes, Jasleen, you have written in chat box. Yes, Drishti, very good. So please use chat box. Okay, to making the discipline of the class. Very good.